Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike, Cosmic Creations. Before we get too far into it, check the links in the video description below to the website so you can see prices and options for these wheel kits. I do all kinds of other kits that I don't have or haven't had time to put on the website yet. So just to be clear, I've got a double eyebrow set, triple eyebrow set, the Mega, which is a 10-piece set. We've got interior kit, exterior kit, 2 different underbody kits, hood kit, mirror kit, side body kit, and of course 6 different levels of rim lights. Each one of those has several different options, and we're getting ready to come out with 2 more that's going to give you up to 8 rows per ring. All right, I've had a lot of guys request that here lately, so I'm gonna put that out there. It's going to require some additional equipment to power it, but it'll be well worth it. And again, big dog on the block. So without further ado, this one here goes out to Cauzel. So this is for his slingshot. These are the direct bolt-on rings here, and we're going to light them up real quick. There we go. So these are getting ready to ship out Monday. It's currently Saturday. I've got a few more small things to finish, and I'm going to box everybody's stuff up that's going to get ready to go out Monday. So tracking numbers will be flying out. If you guys got any questions, hit me up, let me know. Again, check the website for details on pricing. Anything else, just reach out to me. If you want something custom, like one-off, I mean, I can build it. You know, we can pick apart any kit and put together a whole new kit for you. Or if you know what you want, where you want it, and how you want it, what length you want it, you know, shoot me a message, let me know. I'll give you some good pricing on some custom pieces like that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.